Hey Pete, hey Jay, so what do you mean peace through brutality? The Revenant is a movie filled with brutality, and yet you walk away from it with a sense of peace. And that's a pretty amazing accomplishment from a movie. Is that what the movie's all about, finding peace? It's part of Glass's journey, but The Revenant is all about what was that? What's that supposed to mean? It refers to all the things that life throws at us that we never see coming. Oh, like a bear attack, or riding your horse off a cliff, or a stealth attack on your camp. And the camera angles in the opening attack really emphasize this, leaving the audience asking, what was that during all of the action? The off-camera sounds and voices in the movie definitely had me asking, what was that? Especially every time we heard one of Glass's bones crack. So what was Glass's deal? Glass is so concerned with protecting Hawk that he puts himself and the men in the group in danger. You're saying Fitzgerald is justified in questioning Glass's ability? Yes, they've lost like 80% of their men, and it is Glass that is in charge of the men's safety. He had a really good plan to get them home, but he ends up ruining the plan. The plan requires one thing, and that is Glass. When Glass goes hunting alone, he leaves Hawk at home because he's thinking of protecting Hawk. If Hawk was with Glass, the bear attack may have been avoided, and at the very least, it would have been much less severe. Because he is always thinking of his son's safety first, he has put the entire group in jeopardy of making it home. So Glass needs to learn how to take care of himself before he can take care of others. Yes, and once he's left alone to die in the woods, he has no choice to do this if he wants to keep breathing. And then he even lets someone else take care of him on his journey home. He does, and he experiences the majority of his physical healing after taking this step. So what is the ending all about? Is there redemption in it? Glass makes it back to the camp. He seems physically healed. Then he gets beat up again by Fitzgerald. He says he's not afraid to die. Is that the end? But then he still goes after Fitzgerald. There is no redemption or justice or fairness in this movie. In the end, we see when Glass makes it home to the camp, he has completed a lot of his physical healing. But spiritually, he is still stuck on revenging his son. It isn't until Fitzgerald puts another beating on, almost takes his life again, until Glass finally submits to the fact that he has no power over life. That he has to be like the branches of a tree and allow the wind to blow him where it may. That he has to go with the flow of life, which is why we see the movie open and close with a flowing river. And the moment that Glass releases Fitzgerald, he releases his desire to control life.
Look out, Pete, here comes Jay, and it looks like he's got something to say.